Hello guys, today I have a news for you guys about economic indicators, which is the main indicator effect to cryptocurrency. So you go to this website investing.com, or you can click in the description that I will give you in the below. So when you click on this, it will display you like this, and you set your location, your time zone, where is your location. For me, +7, and the indicator name is ISM Manufacturing PMI. So if we release at 21, the time is 21. So where here, the time is 21 Asia time. It is the USA, and the name is ISM Manufacturing PMI. So click on this one. Not now. Okay, so the actual is 50.9. Yeah, 50.9, and the forecast is 50. Forecast is 50. Forecast 50. So how to know whether it is bad or good? Yeah. So to know it is good or bad, you come up here. Okay, so the previous month is 50.9 and the forecast is 50, and the actual now is coming is at 9 o'clock. It will change. Okay, so how to know it is bad or good? If the value is bigger than 50 or bigger than forecast 50 or bigger than previous month 50.9, it is very bad for cryptocurrency. But if the value released is smaller than 50, it is a good for crypto. Yeah. So in short, if the release value is bigger than forecast, it is bad. Bigger than previous month is bad. But if it's smaller than forecast, that's cool for cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's all for ISM Manufacturing, or we call it PMI Report. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more and more about cryptocurrency. Bye bye.